Hello everybody, welcome to this week's tips and tricks video for Tekla structures. Today we are gonna take a look at snapping toolbars. I'm seeing a lot of Tekla users are not aware of this snap to lines and edges tool. This tool reduces the Tekla modeling time by 50%. This tool can be used with a single click in the situations where really double clicks are needed. Let's select only this and uncheck all the others. If we want to measure the width of this beam, normally we would select the start and end point to be measured. By using this tool, selecting the edge is enough to measure the length. It's up to our creativity on how to use this tool. For example, let's model a hexadecagon plate above these beams. Let's select the contour plate and start selecting the edges. By the way, hexadecagon means polygon with 16 sides. That's it, simpler than you think. The work points are also created in each corner. Like I said before, it's up to our creativity on how do we use this tool. This can be used for construction lines, polygons, etc. Second tip is a small new update in Tekla Structures version 2K21. We have an example of a hip beam here. Let's say we have to measure the slope of this beam. If we take a section along this beam, the connecting skewed beams are fully visible, even though the view depth is less. In the contextual toolbar of version 2K21, there is an option called Add or Update View Depth Clip Plane. Let's give 1 foot here and click Add. Now the view is updated. These are not traditional clip planes from the previous versions. We can't see any scissors. These clip planes are only for weave depth, but we can still use the traditional clip planes as well. Alright, that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.